Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April the 4th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, a Phase 3 study of GenSight Biologics gene therapy GS010 in patients with Leber hereditary optic neuropathy failed to meet its primary endpoint. Results from the trial showed that a clinically meaningful improvement of plus 11 ETDRS letters was seen at 48 weeks, both in eyes treated with GS010 and those treated with a sham injection. CEO Bernard Gilly called the improvement for untreated eyes totally unexpected, noting that partial spontaneous recovery is reported in only 8% to 22% of LHON patients. Gilly added, "We will continue to analyse the data to better understand our results, but they suggest that GS010 benefits both eyes in a way that is still to be understood." In other news, a Phase 3 study of Eli Lilly Cyramza in the second-line treatment of people with hepatocellular carcinoma met its primary endpoint of overall survival. The company noted that this is the first positive late-stage study in a biomarker-selected hepatocellular carcinoma population, with all subjects having high levels of the glycoprotein alpha-fetoprotein. In addition, Eli Lilly entered a deal with Sigilon Therapeutics, potentially worth over $460 million, to develop encapsulated cell therapies for the potential treatment of type 1 diabetes. The companies aim to develop therapies that can restore insulin production over sustained periods without triggering an immune reaction. And finally, in draft guidance, the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence recommended against routine use of Sanofi and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Dupixent in adults with moderate to severe atopic dermatitis. Sanofi explained that the agency identified uncertainty in the cost-effectiveness estimates for the drug, which exceeded those deemed an acceptable use of NHS resources. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.